In this video, we're going to compare the Medicube ATS AirShot versus the Medicube Booster H. Which product is better in this year? So the Medicube ATS Shot and Booster H are two popular skincare devices, but they work in different ways. The ATS AirShot is designed to act like a light version of microneedling, but without any real needles. It uses small electrical pulses to open tiny pads in the skin, so your skincare products can sink in better. Some people says their skin feels smoother, their pores look smaller, and their texture improves after using it for a few weeks. But it can take time, and not everyone's seeing big changes. A few users also says that their skin felt irritated or get small breakouts if they use it too often on a high setting. It also takes a little practice to hold the device at the right distance. Now, on the other hand, the Booster H has a gentler purpose. It pushes serums and creams deeper into your skin using soft pulses, so many people like it more because their skin feels more hydrated and glowing after they use it. It also makes skincare feel like it works faster and better. But still, some notice a light tingling, and the results are usually mild unless you use it regularly. So, overall, the ADS AirShot is better if you want to work on your skin texture and pores, while the Booster H is better if you want an extra glow and hydration. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on the next one.